guys, it's Alicia. Now today I thought I would do a little unboxing of my new wallet here and just tell you a little bit about these wallets. Now my husband has one of these. He's had it for about 3 weeks and he absolutely loves it. And so he got me one too, and I haven't used mine yet, but I thought I would go ahead and show you what it looks like and how it works. So first off, I'll just take it out of the box. And that is what it looks like. You can see how small it is and thin. It's very lightweight. It's only 2 ounces and it's made of aluminum, which is what helps make it so light. And it is basically the size of a credit card, which is awesome. So this is kind of the new minimalistic way of carrying a wallet. Super small, super compact. And with this, basically you have just what you need in it. It will carry 1 to 12 credit cards. And the way it works is it has this elastic on the 2 sides in the bottom. And that's what holds your cards in. And it opens like that. And there you can see the elastic on the sides and the bottom. So it only opens right here at the top. And inside, these come with a little card, size of a credit card, and it has instructions on how to insert and access your cards. So if you're just putting 1 card in this, it's pretty simple. It just goes right in the top there, and you just push it down, and that is it. Now, if you want to take these out, all you do is push up on that little circle there, pull out your card. Easy as that. Now, it gets a little more complicated when you have more than 1 card, and I will show you on my husband's wallet what I mean by that. Okay, so I'll just have my husband demonstrate with his, how you would get a card out when you've got a whole bunch of them in there. So as you can see there, he just pinched the bottom and that kind of fans all the cards out, and then you can sort of flip through and get which one you want. And then another thing to note about this, the elastic will eventually wear out on these, so you can get replacement elastic, and you can also get replacement titanium screws for this if you need them. So they have a little metal and elastic piece here, and you can put money in there, like right here on this one. Now, if you don't like this for your money, you can also purchase a clip like he has on his, and you notice he's actually not using his. He has got his cash on the clip that actually comes with the wallet. What he said he will do with this sometimes, if he has additional cards that don't actually fit inside here, this kind of serves as another place to put cards, because it is very, very tight and it will hold them in there very securely. And speaking of holding cards, the fact that it has the elastic on the 2 sides and the bottom here, that makes it to where if you do want to just carry 1 card, like what's in here, that elastic holds it very securely. It's not gonna fall out. So if you only wanted this for 1 card, which I would think most people wouldn't, that 1 card's gonna stay in there just as well as if you had more of them in there. Now in the box here, you will see they provided a little screwdriver. And there it is. So what this is for, these wallets, as you can see, have screws all the way around them on both sides. This screwdriver is just so you can occasionally tighten these if you need to. So that's kind of cool. This wallet also has RFID protection. So if you're worried about your credit card information getting stolen wirelessly, then this has protection for that in the metal plates that are inside of it. And I think that's actually becoming fairly common now, but it's still a cool little feature to this. Now these wallets come in 3 different types. This one here is the aluminum, and it is Celeste Blue. You can get the aluminum in 10 different colors, and the price point is $72 for this. The next one up is the titanium one, and this one comes in 3 different colors, and the price point for it is $105. And then the final one comes in carbon fiber, and that is $115. All in all, I'm pretty impressed with these wallets. While they may be a little on the pricey side, I think they are pretty well made and they should last a really, really long time, which means they'll eventually pay for themselves since you're not having to replace traditional wallets all the time. And I absolutely love the minimalistic aspect of these, in the fact that if all I want to carry is just one of these little tiny wallets with me instead of my huge purse, I can do that. I will have the website listed in the description box below, and if you want to go check them out for yourself, you can. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.